To change photo on UKVisa. First, search Login UKVI account. Go with Update Account Details. Scroll down and tap Update UKVI account. Choose the document that you use to create the account. Choose accordingly. I go with my passport. Enter passport number. Enter date of birth. Choose from phone or email to receive security code. And enter security code. Continue. Once logged in, scroll down to the photo. Tap Change, Continue. Select Passport as document type. You have to upload a clear photo of your passport showing clear details and not blurry. Choose File, and Continue. If the photo meets requirements, you can continue, else it's show error to try again. Now you have to scan your face. Continue. Tap Start Scan. Once done, tap Continue. Before uploading a photo, make sure it follows all mentioned requirements. Continue. Upload photo, continue. If the photo meets requirements, choose Yes, and continue. Review details, tap Submit, and continue. And your request will be submitted successfully.